Hi, welcome to the short tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to get the dark mode on the Snapchat like other platforms like Instagram, Facebook. Now Snapchat give a dark mode in their application. So how you can use that feature? So unfortunately, if you are not iPhone user, you won't use this feature. Only the way is that you can convert your dark theme of the Android into the dark, and as in some phone Snapchat will also convert to the dark mode. But if you are Android user, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat, and from here you have to click on your profile from the left top. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the settings from the right top. Okay, now scroll up, and in the additional services, just below the menu, you will see an app appearance option. You have to tap on that and convert your simple theme to the dark theme on the Snapchat. So this is the procedure to get the dark mode on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.